Aha, Ethan, I got you.
No, Arnold, that's just a stump. I'm here.
Oi! Who's that? Another stump?
And just who do you think you are calling a stump?
What? Grandpa Billy, I won't do that again. Guys, Grandpa Billy was chasing me in my dream with a watering can.
And he caught you?
No, I woke up. It's interesting how Grandpa Billy splashes and grumbles all the time, and everyone still loves and respects him. But why?
I think because he splashes and grumbles, and he is very rusty.
That means we should get rusty if we want to be loved and respected?
How rusty should we get for respect? We've been sitting in the water for an hour.
Blarp, blarp.
Hey, kids, have you seen my umbrella? It flew away. Or the general. I lost him.
That's it. I'm rusty. Do you respect me, Mrs. Dove?
If you see the umbrella, tell him that I'm looking for him. And if you find the general, hang him on the fence to let it dry. The rust isn't enough. We have to splash and grumble, I guess. A pink umbrella and a green general are lost. If found, return to Mrs. Dove. Oh, my favorite umbrella. Where are you now?
Ethan, come on, grumble.
I don't know how to, but I'll try.
Bo 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 bo. What?
Mrs. Dove, do you love and respect us now?
I will show you love and respect when I catch you!
It's a lovely day. It's quiet.
Miss Dove, wait, your umbrella.
What do you think? Do they love and respect us after this? I'm not sure about that.
Ethan, can you hear me? I'm talking to you. What's going on?
I don't know. I feel sad. How about you?
Me? No.
That's strange. Maybe I'm sick.
Grandpa Billy, Ethan is sick.
Well, it seems that you feel sad.
Uh-huh.
I know what's wrong. It's called sad disease.
Is there a cure?
Of course. But you must find a flower to cure it called Taraxacum officinalis.
And where does that flower grow?
Oh, it's right behind that hill.
I'll find that flower and cure you. You will be happy again, I promise.
Oh no, the bridge is closed. We will never find a cure.
No, we will.
Are you sure you can?
I will do anything for my friend. I'm not scared at all. Oh.
You can do it. Look, you're almost there.
Oi! Oi! Ethan, help! Help!
George, I'm coming. George, hold on!
That's good. I didn't get rusty, but on the other hand, we were almost there. It's so far.
We are in place.
Ethan, look how amazing it is. What are you looking at?
I wonder how we should go down.
I guess this is the way. Ethan, I think I found... Hoi, hoi,
George, hold on! I'm coming!
Ethan, where are you going?
There are only dandelions here.
That's right. I should have guessed it earlier. Traisn officinalis is the scientific name of dandelions.
Couldn't you guess it earlier?
You can't even imagine how adventurous our trip was.
And we found some magic dandelions.
I see that you feel better now. Are you still sad, Ethan?
No, I'm not sad anymore.
We picked up some Traisn officinalis as you've told.
Me? Really? I don't remember that.
Don't you remember? You sent us behind that hill to pick up some dandelions.
I don't remember that. Take care of yourself.
Grandpa Billy, I got it. You made up that story with dandelions so we could have some fun, right?
You're exactly right, because a journey into the countryside is the best cure for any disease.
I have an awesome idea.
Are you sure it's awesome?
Ready.
Done, but there are too many sails.
The more, the better.
Ethan, good job. Oh, the weather is bad.
Ethan, remove the sails. A storm is coming.
I'm not afraid. I have anchors. Ah, George, help me! Ah!
Wow. Look how creative Ethan is.
That's cool.
I want to do that. George, are you waiting for your turn?
What is this circus?
Circus? Coming to our city? They say we'll have a circus. Come see it, and I'll be there.
It's always a circus around here without an actual circus.
Oh, I've had a headache since morning. I'm just sure it's going to rain. Why are you always in a hurry, Ethan?
I'm not. I just can't stop.
I'm trying, but I can't stop it. My brakes are very old.
I didn't know that Grandpa Billy and Ethan work in a circus.
Eitan, go to Mr. Clockface.
What's going on?
Oh, thank you, Mr. Clockface.
You're welcome. Just tell me what that was.
Hey, will there be other races?
Why don't you ask the policeman?
Adults never let children take part in races, but they race themselves.
Now, do you understand your mistake?
The sails were too big?
Of course, we'll make them smaller next time. And we will repair my brakes and,
There will be no next time.
Oh, really? I can't believe my ears.
I don't think it's interesting being a ship. But being a plane...
The goal of our squad is to keep this height. Oi! The squad? Oi! What? Oh! Hey! Did you catch them? Sam Sparky's squad is here. Oi! Oi, 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 oi!
Just leave me here. I can't climb up this terrible hill anymore.
Then why are you carrying so much food?
Yeah, that's too much. I need to eat a little bit, and then I'll have less food to carry. Finch, how do you hear me? It's Sparrow. Hello? 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 I can't hear anything.
You just need to knock on it very carefully, like this.
Sparrow, it's Finch. I'm leaving. Please wait for me.
Usually when the commander appears, everybody screams, "Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!"
Sam Sparky is flying. Oh, I almost forgot. Hooray! 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 Sam Sparky flew away. I am the captain now.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
A tiny cone fell onto George's head, and now he has a tiny bump on his forehead.
I'm not George anymore. I am Commander. Oi, a cone fell down. That's strange. A lot of cones fell on me today. And Ethan.
And Sam Sparky.
Ethan and George will pounce on the canned food, and we will catch them.
I don't want to pick mushrooms anymore. I want to pick canned food. Let's go.
We got you, we got you, we got you.
Arnold, why are you wearing my cap?
Yeah, that's a funny story. Do you want to try on my cap?
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Ethan, wake up. Wake up, son, and take a shower. You are having your first inspection today. You need to be clean.
Inspection? What does that mean?
It's very simple. Inspection means that you just have to sit and quietly and look.
What do I look at?
Well, I don't know. At something.
You don't know either. I'll explain it to you. I think that during the inspection you walk down the beautiful rails and everybody is looking at you, taking your photos and applauding.
No, I think that's a girly inspection. I want another, a manly one.
Hey, what's happening?
We have an inspection today, but we have no idea what it is.
Is this your first time?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you're all really unlucky.
Do you have an inspection?
Of course, I'm surprised I'm alive.
What did they do?
First, they drive you to the flyover. Then, unscrew the wheels so that you can't run away. Then, they remove the lights. Are you scared? I would be scared too.
Where's Ethan?
I'd rather run away than suffer from that inspection. I'd rather go to a trip around the world instead of your inspection. I'll see the world and meet new trains.
Hello, Ethan. Where do you think you're going?
I'm going on a trip around the world.
Did you tell your parents? They will worry about you.
No need to worry. They shouldn't have sent me to an inspection.
I see it's the inspection you're afraid of. Well, it's not scary at all, and you won't feel any pain. And also, every train must go through an intense inspection, so that we can fix the defects, and they don't get into accidents. Do you get that?
Come on, you first.
Why me? You go first.
Huh? That's not how real men behave.
Hey, can I go first?
Uh-huh.
Ethan, you are a true hero. How was it?
It was fine. They said I'm a perfectly healthy train.
Well, everybody had an inspection. Let's go play now.
How about we play a game of inspection? And the first one can be Arnold.
Why Arnold again? That's not fair. I'm tired of inspections.
mushroom on you?
That's not a mushroom, but my new invention, umbrella for friends.
You will get wet under that invention. I'm curious, where's the rain?
Rain, rain, rain.
When friends get under the umbrella, it increases in size. You can hide here too. There's enough space for us all.
I always hiccup when I'm surprised.
That was really, really cool. Even Arnold started to hiccup. Come on, Arnold. You infected me with hiccups.
Lightning is a very powerful discharge of electricity, and unmanageable electricity is very dangerous.
And very harmful. I once licked a battery and lost my appetite. And once a big hailstone fell on my head, and it was the size of a football.
And you lost your appetite, right?
No, I didn't lose anything. In fact, I got something. A big bump on my forehead.
Who will reach the rainbow first?
I'll be the first. Sam Sparky the Rocket.
Oh, guys, it's so beautiful. It's so interesting how it feels.
Well, the rainbow is next to my house, right? It means the rainbow is mine. Wait, wait.
Arnold's rainbow. Do not enter. Arnold, what's this?
What? There's only one rainbow, and a lot of us. And now there's dust all over my rainbow. I have to wash it. Wait! My rainbow! Don't leave me!
Now, Arnold. The rainbow belongs to everyone, not just to you. Like the air and the sunshine.
I'm sorry, guys.
Well, guys, let's get to work. We all did a good job. Do you understand, guys, that trees should be protected?
To make firewood from them, right?
No, Ethan. People invented a special fuel to keep the trees alive. Listen to me. A long time ago, a greedy king was living in his kingdom. He cut down all the trees in the kingdom, and he locked them up with a key. And the man who invented the special fuel was put in prison.
Hello, Grandpa. Can you please show me how to get to the prison? Oh, wow. What are they afraid of? Wait, you dropped your basket!
I'm so out of breath, I can't run anymore. And I'm not afraid of your prison. I thought the king sent you. Then listen to how everything began.
Thanks, but Grandpa Billy has already told us the beginning. Where's the prison? Buy firewood from the king. La 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 la. Ooh, greedy.
Ethan, why do I need this girly box?
This way nobody will recognize us and we can save the inventor. Let's go!
You're such a coward. It's empty inside.
Here's one more. Come on, fall down. Hey, Tin Can, did you hear me? Fall apart.
Who did you just call a tin can?
Why are you looking at me? Haven't you ever seen a countess in your life?
Hello, my beautiful stranger. Can I invite you to a dance, please?
Your Trainee Majesty, I don't dance. Maybe I can sing for you.
Oh, really? I see you want to go to prison, do you? They stepped on my wheel. This is an attempt on my life. Security! Security! And the Countess hit me with a frame.
Give up, greedy king! Set the inventor free! And how does the story end? Did they save the inventor?
Of course they did, of course they did.
Great. Then I'll go to sleep now.
During a rainy and wet autumn, what will help get rid of dust is a compressed bag of juicy cabbage leaves.
La 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 la. I am a big, juicy, and pretty cabbage.
Now wait for 10 minutes, and when the leaves are finally dry, jump on them several times and they will fall off.
A train was driving under the heavy rain and jumping into deep puddles and became rusty. Don't forget to have your yearly inoculations on time.
Is the doctor pipe, throat, nose in his office? Are you afraid of inoculations? Remember, if you don't do it, your metal will get rusty. All your parts will dry up and fall off, and you will become an old, rusty wash tub.
But if I became a rusty wash tub, you won't stop being friends with me, right?
No way. You can be a wash tub if you want to, but we're getting inoculations.
Guys, wait. Can I go first? Ah!
Wait, Arnold, did it hurt? Huh?
No, the inoculation itself doesn't hurt at all. I just ran because of my previous fear.
Mrs. Dove, what's wrong?
What? Oh, this! I'm waiting for them to dry and fall off.
Well, this is an obvious symptom of rust. We must help her. Follow me, guys. Mr. Musician, we need help. Mrs. Dove dries and falls off, and if we don't help her now, she will become a wash tub. A rusty one.
That's amazing! My face is so fresh after the cabbage. Perfect. Well, it's time to go to the hospital now.
Don't worry, Mrs. Dove. We are coming to save you.
Where do you think you're going with that bathtub?
That's not a wash tub. That's Mrs. Dove, and she needs an inoculation.
What did you call an old wash tub? I'll catch you, naughty boys!
That's strange. If this wash tub is not Mrs. Dove, then who is that?
Guys, let's have a rest. My wheels are falling off.
Fine, we'll stop for a moment.
Is it too far, guys?
First, we should reach the big oak. Then, we'll cross the humpback bridge. We go around the thorn bushes, and we are in the flower field.
No way! That's gonna take forever. I know the shortest way. Who's coming? You are lucky to have me. We'll be in the field in 5 minutes, and it will take them half a day to get there.
Oh, did you fall into a swamp?
Are you afraid? It's not too deep. Come on, follow me. Aye!
Oi!
How long should I wait for you?
Wait! I can't see anything at all!
I can't see either.
Calm down, no need to panic. When you're going straight, never look back.
Ah!
Look where you're falling.
I couldn't see at all.
How are we gonna get out of here?
That's easy. I'll show you how to do that. What are you staring at? Push me, quickly.
Oi! Oi!
You're such weaklings. I shouldn't have come with you. What now?
Maybe we can go that way.
Oi! Oi!
Fantastic! Why did you get us in these thorns?
Me? But you told us yourself that we should only go straight forward.
It doesn't matter. You should make your own decisions. It will take us a year to reach the field.
So beautiful. What an amazing field.
This is the most beautiful place I've ever been to. I'm so happy we came here, guys. Oh, monsters!
Run! Run!
Where do you see monsters?
That's us.
Sam Sparky?
Oh, that's right. You took the shortest road. Well, now you know that the straight road is not always the shortest.
And the long road can be so beautiful that you forget about your tiredness and time.
Hey friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.